Okay, so I'm here to share a unboxing. I got a new bag, and this is a cute little charm that came with it. A little keychain. My friend gifted it with the bag and with a wallet. Okay, he gifted the wallet and the keychain with my bag, okay? It's really beautiful. This is so cute. It's a little French bulldog. And then this is the wallet in here. So let me take her out. Show you guys. Okay, this is what it looks like. Let's see. Okay, so this is the color of my bag as well. I got a matching wallet. Very beautiful. Been wanting this for a very long time. Really nice. There's the name of the bag as well, and the zipper. And then this is what it looks like. This is for the cards. Here's the name again. Put cash in here, cash in here. Put change in there. And stuff. Let me see. Some cash in here and more cards. So that's how that looks inside. I don't know how this. Put it back. Okay. So there's that. And then now we're gonna open this bag now, okay? Let's check it out. It's another on the go. Another on the go, like the other one that I have. So every bag comes with a dust bag. So this is what it looks like. It's really beautiful and big. She's gorgeous. And they got here really quick. Wow. I think 2 weeks it took. So she's really beautiful. This is what it looks like. Like that. Leather. It smells a lot like leather. It's really beautiful. She smells really nice. Like leather. I could smell it. So beautiful. Look how beautiful she is. Okay. Let me open her up. It's really beautiful, this bag. It's really big. And she also has these little handles so you can put over the shoulder. Let me rip these off. But yeah, this is a beautiful bag that I just got, and it didn't take that long to get here. I wasn't expecting it till next month. I thought it would take a whole month. But it didn't. It took 2 weeks, just like my friend said. So yeah, you could use these ones for over the shoulder, or you could use the little handles here, these ones. Just to put over like this, like that. And then, here, let me open so we could check to see that everything works. Let's see. It's really beautiful. It smells amazing, like leather, like a lot. I love it. Okay, so here's this in here. You could, yes, it works. Little hook works, so I can hook it to here if you want to close it like this. It's really nice, this bag. Can't stop saying that, I know. So yeah, there it is. You could do that if you want. I'll probably be doing that with my bag, and I'm probably gonna put a what is it called? An organizer. Yeah, I'll probably put an organizer inside to keep it from doing this, because you know, I mean, it came the way it came, package. So it's kind of like it needs to get used to not doing that. Okay, so inside it has like suede all inside, beautiful, on black suede, very beautiful. I like it. And then here's the zipper for the inside pocket. Oh, there it goes. Okay, so yeah, that's what it looks like. I don't know what this is for. Oh, what's this for? Does anybody know? Well, this came with it. I have to figure what this is for. Probably for a little wallet, maybe. I don't know, but this came in the pocket in here. Oh, it's for this. Okay. Wow, that's so cool. I like it. Nice. It's a little like charm, I guess, for your bag. Let me put it on. It's kind of hard to put on right now. I would have to do this off the video, but this goes here is like a little charm you could hang right here. It says the name of the bag. It's beautiful. Wow, I didn't know it came with that. It's awesome. So yeah, guys, this is my bag. I love her, and I'm waiting for another. Okay, there's another one on the way. She's beautiful too, and I can't wait to get her. She's amazing. So yeah, this is gonna be it. This is the video, and the matching wallet's right here. Little pup. Put the little pup right there. I could put that on my bag or keys or whatever, but I'm gonna use it for my room for decoration. But that's it. That's what it looks like. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will be doing a Temu haul later on. Thank you. Have a great day.